Hey DIYers, this is Bryce from Alarm Grid, and today we're going to be learning about the 5834 key fob and how to use it. One thing about this 5834 key fob is that it's able to be used with your Lynx panel, your Vista panels, and also the new Honeywell Lyric panel. This key fob is able to be used up to 200 feet away. So if you're within distance of the panel, this is able to be used. So these buttons will not work if you're away at home or at work, school, etc. One thing about this key fob, it is ideal. So if you're doing things around the house, or if you want to get out the house in a timely manner, or you want to get into the house without having to worrying about getting the key fob, or your hands are full and you can't disarm the panel in time, the key fob is ideal for you. The first button on this key fob will be the disarm button, which shows the little lock and it is unlocked. This button right here is able to disarm the panel within range. So like I said, if your hands are full, you press the disarm and boom, you'll hear that it disarmed. The next button on here is the lock key. This lock is closed, which serves as the arm away function for the panel. So if you ever want to, when you're leaving the house and you're rushing out, press the arm away and you'll hear the countdown, and that gives you the time to run out the house without having to be at the keypad pressing buttons. The next button on here is going to be the arm stay, which shows a red asterisk to the top and then a person inside of a little home. So if you ever want to stay inside of the house and you just want to set the alarm just to feel a little bit safer, hit the arm stay and you don't have to worry about getting up to the keypad. You can still lay in bed and hit the arm stay. The next button we have here is the panic. This panic can serve as a police panic or medical panic. It comes not programmed, but you can always program it so that you can have a panic go off. Another way that people program this button will be as a garage opener. So if you refer to our FAQ on how to set up a 5834 key fob with the 5877 garage relay, it will show you how to program this asterisk, this panic button, into a garage opener. One thing about the key fob is that now it ships in high security mode. So when people program them, they tend to think it doesn't work. So when you press any buttons and you see that it blinks red, that means it's in high security mode. We have FAQs to show you how to use it in high security mode, which is basically a rolling encryption so that it's not able to be picked up or jammed, and it uses a different number every time to disarm the keypad. As well as we have another FAQ to show you how to put it into low security mode. When it is in low security mode, it starts to blink green, which is the difference. When it has a low battery, there will be no flashing on the key fob at all. This key fob uses a Panasonic lithium battery to charge it, which is simple to change. All you have to do is open it up, take out the old battery and just place it in and close it back up, and it's back to working. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like and subscribe button. If you want more updates on when we do post new videos, please hit the notification button so that you're able to be notified every time. So this is Bryce from the Alarm Grid. Have a good day.